Saturday. Today I am going to be showing you how to do the Tunisian reverse stitch, which is super simple, but it just gives a bit of a different texture. So today I'm using my Furls 5.5mm maple and ebony hook, and I am using Cotton yarn from Knit Picks, We Crochet Official Knit Picks, and I have chained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have chained 12, and I'm gonna do my foundation row. I've linked to all the materials in my description. So first I'm gonna do my foundation row, which is just working into my back bumps. Oops. Okay, I'm just gonna work into my back bumps like this. And just do a return pass, and that's the foundation row. All right. Then we're just gonna do a normal return pass over here. So, like this. Okay. Okay, and then, so the reverse stitch is pretty much the same thing as the simple stitch, but instead of working into the front bar like this, you are just gonna turn this around and work into the vertical bar in the back like this. So just pick that up. It's a little bit hard in the foundation, I guess, foundation row, so I'm just gonna find the loops in the back and just work those up like that. So let's pick those up. So like this, and you'll see like the two lines, and you're just gonna pick up the one in the back like so. Then the back, and then again, just gonna work the last two stitches as normal. The last stitch as normal, and then just do your return pass and just like so. Okay, so let's try it again, and then basically we're just turning it over so we can work into the back vertical bar here. So pick up a loop across, just pick up a loop like into the back. You see, you can see these little V's, or like these two bars that are together, so you're just gonna pick up a loop into that. So basically you're doing a simple stitch but in the back. That is the Tunisian reverse stitch. Okay, like this. Then again we have this guy. Pick it up like so, and then just work your last as you normally would. Just both of the loops. There you go. And then just do normal return pass. instead of going through the front like this, we are gonna flip it over and work through these back loops here. So just pick that up and just do that. Pick it up, do that. Just going through the vertical bars, but the ones that are in the back. So again, this is called the Tunisian Reverse, and this is what it starts to look like. It's kind of like a seed stitch. It's a little bit like the purl stitch, but you see there's space between the stitches where you would see more bumps in the purl stitch. So this is the Tunisian Reverse Stitch. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if there are some other stitch tutorials that you would like to see, and I'd be happy to post some more. Alright, thanks for watching.